check this funky looking plane out. Check this funky looking plane out here in China. Look at that Panda. Sichuan Airlines. Look at that Panda right there. Beautiful. When you open the thingy, hold, look, you can see the Panda's belly. Not a good day too. Not a good day out here, but yeah. The plane's got panda themed decorations as well. Look at it. Pandas everywhere. The panda plane. How cool is that? The air hostess have panda uniforms on as well. Panda uniforms. Wait till she turns around. Hopefully you see it. No, turn around. There, you kind of see it. There you go. See the panda ears. It's a pretty cool airplane. There you go. There you go. Look at the panda right there. Oh, he's blocking it. Check that out. How cool is that? Panda right there. Stop blocking the panda, guy. Yeah, there you go. Panda uniform. Cool.